Do you need a vent cleaning service around your local area of Denver? You should not try to take shortcuts when you need the expert job that an air duct cleaner firm will accomplish. You can stop the stale air from circulating throughout your ductwork. A clean dryer vent is a job for the vent cleaning service professionals in Denver. They'll trace your complete dryer venting system from one end to the other to make sure that your vent is free from the fibers and lints causing hazardous condition. Cleaning your fireplace is the job for Denver Furnace Cleaning. They have all of the tools and skills that will guarantee your chimney pipe is safe and clean, allowing you the peace of mind to relax by your fireplace without any worry. Call now. 303-813-9433. Visit us online. DenverFurnaceCleaning.com